Merry Christmas! Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu Christmas edition masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia. Don't forget to check out my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos, all dedicated to urban farming, including Farm Cat Pablo. Pablo was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got him back. Check out that video on the channel. And big shout out to Bonnie for hooking Pablo up with Friskies. That's right, Friskies, tasty treasures, prime fillets, no artificial preservatives. And Pablo loves his Friskies. Merry Christmas, Pablo. There you go. Yeah. He loves that. Oh, Pablo, it's Christmas. Pablo's feeling that. Is it good, Pablo? Yeah. So here we are at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on Christmas. And that's our website, Ophelia'sBlueVineFarm.com. That's grandmother Ophelia. And wrapping up, of course, we have to come out and make sure everything is okay. Shut up, Earl! We're doing a video. Make sure everything's okay. And we're going to hook up the Vine Street hens, the pampered hens at Vine Street. You love those videos we're doing on social media? Let me know in the comment section. Who do you want to see more of? What is your favorite, hen or rooster? Is it Harold? Harold, maybe? Is it Rooster Earl? Is it Oprah Henfrey? Let me know in the comment section. So, of course, got to take care of the girls. And we're live outside Christmas. Gonna hook them up with a treat because it's Christmas. Happy holidays, Vine Street hens. Oh, I got to get the bell. Grandmother Ophelia would often ring a bell when it was dinner time. Is that your family tradition too? Let me know in the comment section. Merry Christmas, Vine Street hens. Oh, they know what time it is. Do you know what time it is? Oh, they know what time it is. I'm going to hit them up with a little treat. Hit them up with a little treat. There you go. Oh, who loves it? Come and get it. Oh, they love it. They love it. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're happy. And look how beautiful they are. The Vine Street hens enjoying that 18% protein today. Oh, and they're loving it. Oh, yes, they are. Merry Christmas, guys. Ladies, Merry Christmas. Samantha, Merry Christmas. Lisa, Happy Kwanzaa. Rachel, where's Rachel? Oh, there's Rachel. Rachel's right there. Rachel, Happy Hanukkah. Rachel's Jewish. Hey. Oh, they're free ranging. Oh, she's free ranging. Oh, she loves that. They love it. All right. So my family, yours, the Vine Street hens, wish you happy holidays. Farmer Mike, this has been a live Christmas edition. And go to DoorDash. We get your eggs delivered this Saturday. Limited supply. Y'all, if you want to know where real food comes from, if you want to know, oh, so heavy, where real food comes from, go to DoorDash, order your dozen today. Delivery only on Saturdays, limited quantities. Wow, supplies last.